Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to convert text to proper case. In our Excel example, we have few texts which are in uppercase. We'll convert this into a proper case. Proper case means the first character of every word will be caps. So we'll type first character as caps and rest all in small letters. Now we press enter, and if you want to get the result for all the other text, we'll press Ctrl E. This will convert the text into proper case. Thank you so much for watching this video.